Hello, Ethan.
Good afternoon, Chase.
We welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Tuesday, May 1st.
Summer school applications are available now. Pick up and return to the counseling services before May 31st. Once your application is returned, you are officially enrolled in summer school and you will not receive a reminder.
Check your school email to see if your name was drawn for a prize for completing Iowa assessments. Directions to claim your prize are in your email.
The Senior Honors Assembly will be May 11th at 12:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Seniors, if you have been awarded a scholarship you plan to accept, email Mrs. Wass by today to have it included in the reported senior scholarships handout.
The University of Northern Iowa's Office of Admissions will host a celebration in honor of the West High class of 2018 graduates that have already been accepted to attend UNI in the fall. The celebration will be by invitation only and will take place in the auditorium foyer between 10 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. tomorrow.
Stay tuned after the show for a message from the FOC class. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Have a great day and be blessed.